Hello, welcome back to the channel. So today test time again. This is test number 10 in the video series called On the Way to 27. This is a little bit of a number play, this name. I would like to achieve 27 sticks out of 30 throws on the way towards reaching this goal. On the way to 27, which is year 2027 next year, year 2026 this year. So going towards that year, I would like to achieve this. Excuse me, and also 26 tests within this series, one test per 2 weeks. So that's 26 times 2 for 52. Well, probably the frequency will have to be shortened because I missed a few weeks of testing. Test parameters are simple. One test, that's it. I will not redo it. Doesn't matter how good or bad it will be. The last 3 tests were 80% smack on, which is interesting because I was kind of hoping I'm going to be improving over the time, but I don't seem to be. The weekly practice sessions are under 85% as well. I have best ofs 93 and 97s once in a blue moon, but they're not common. So I seem to be hit a plateau. It will be interesting to see if this plateau is going to go downhill from here on, or can I climb out of it. Parameters are easy. 3.2 meter to ensure that the 3 meter mark is never get shorter than 3 meter. So even if I step in accidentally, still 3 meters or more. And stick rate has to stay in the target until I retrieve it. If it falls to the ground for whatever reason, get knocked out or doesn't stick, or stick and falls out on its own, that does not count. So 6 sets of 5. So that was number 20. Awesome. So I'll come back in a second. So that was one miss out of 30. That is 96.6666%. That's awesome. That's amazing. That's amazing. I haven't had that on test yet. This is great. That's amazing. Now the obvious question which I never talked about, why am I using screwdrivers? Because this is the ones I started throwing with. I started with military half spin, then I changed to or started learning no spin. And I'm running out of stock. I break about 1 or 2 handles a year due to either the handle breaks or because of Robin Hooding. As you can see, these are taped already and this one's getting quite chewed up. So, and I can't get these screwdrivers anymore. So before I use up my stock that I have, I would like to get to that 90%. Initially the idea was to get 90% on film once, but now I'm a little bit greedy, I think, and I would like to get like a 90% average or close to 90% average. That's not gonna happen over the year, but it would be nice to have a few tests like this, which is one miss out of 30. But anyway, thanks for watching, and I shall see you guys at the next video. Thank you. Bye.